So not too long ago, there was winds in California. Crazy winds. Alright, and that was my greenhouse. Everything fell, so I'm gonna have to put it back up. And I thought it'd be a good idea to do another video of building my greenhouse again. Like it's so bad. Look at all of that. Like everything. Little munchkins over here likes to go in there and basically destroy them even more than what they already are. I'm gonna have to pick it up and see what happens. How are you gonna do that? This way? This is the thing that that didn't sound good. They're disconnected. The shelves are disconnected. This one's fine. Quita la planta que ya la para acá. El agua, todo lo voy a hacer. Wait, how about you go? Just by yourself. This is like another day. Today. Aquí te va a tomar todo el día. How are we gonna stand it up again? I don't know. It smells good, though. Alright, we need to go. Put it that way? I'm gonna cry! Put this one so I can get peso aquí. ¿Quieres que saque esta de aquí? Porque la verdad. Even with all that added weight, it still flips. Sí. Es que hizo muchísimo aire, mija. Demasiado aire. These things were heavy. Esta les cayó demasiada agua. La que compró ella es una de esas. Se me desconectaron. Hora de que me salíamos para afuera. Mom, look, this is like the small one I bought, kind of. Huh? This is kind of like the small one I bought. Yeah. Why doesn't it stand up? Para que me creciera, pero mira nomás. Ya está todo encendido. Where are all the plants that I had in here? Voy a poner esta aquí. Oh, can you give me that flower? That pink one? Be careful, it has a new baby coming out. They're all like super weak. I'm gonna have to like fix them. Here, put that one over there. No, because I have to like replant them. Okay guys, so I brought all the ones that didn't fell out of cases or whatever, just like threw them back in. And there's a lot more on the ground over there. But I'm gonna just plot these and see what happens. I don't know. Mom, this is so sad. I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna start with I'm gonna plant this one first. I'm gonna use the soil it was originally in. No way! Mom, no way!
cayó tu casita para ver qué tan gorgeous tree.
Dang, Mom.
Mira, look at that tree, guys.
The tree.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Dang.
Beautiful. Look big. Wow.
No estaba así otra
No.
vez.
That's nice.
Hi, guys, look at that.
I thought you guys had a puppy for me or something.
Because they go from flowers.
What is she doing?
Yeah, I think so.
Go, 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 Nala. Go,
That's
go,
really
go.
pretty.
Y luego esta-
Go, 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 go. Wow.
I mean, most of them are dead. You stopped taking care of them?
No. The ones that I bought are still like this. They don't grow like that or like this. They're like stuck.
Maybe, I don't know actually why. Mine did good.
Oh.
And then I have a bunch of the leaves that fell off. So hopefully I can use them to grow more succulents. This one, I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little baby growing at the top. Okay, you guys saw me yesterday fixing the greenhouse with my mom, picking it up. And then over there, on that table is where I was putting all the plants back together. And all the soil from the other plants, it's all right there. All right there. I still have to pick up that stuff, but there's like spider webs on it. So, holding back on that. But this, I haven't, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. All of winter, I have not come out here because of all the rain and how cold it was to wet them, water them. So a lot of them, I've learned that a lot of them like grow these like strings. I don't know if you can see them, but those strings, because it's kind of how they get the moisture from the air. So I've heard. And so I repotted a bunch of them, which is this. This one fell over. I need to like put more dirt in these. I'm a little bit, I was a little stingy. So I gotta put more dirt on them. This one I've seen that it can grow big and tall, and right now it's like super thin and like the leaves are not like strong. This ones were so beautiful and they had like these pretty flowers growing, but they died. Like all of them are literally, it's so sad. I had this one in its own little thing and it had a baby one growing out of it. Don't know where it is. There's like tiny bugs in here. And then I planted these again. There's just leaves, like dead ones. That my mom's like this whole winter was really bad. So all of these are replanted. This one, these cactuses is from that one or that one. This one, I need to fix this one. All the roots literally like out. I need to fix that one. I didn't see that. These, hey. These, I mean, they're humongous. Like, they're thick and they like really grew big, like bigger than I was expecting. It's crazy. This bear claw did amazing. Look at it. It's huge. It's awesome. We have like a tiny cactus back there, if you can see it. And then all of these ones. These grew really big in these pots. Like, I'm sure I need to cut them and fix them and stuff. The leaves are falling out. It's okay. My mom's plants. These I repotted this one. This one, repotted it. That one needs more dirt around there. Need to add more dirt to that one. This one still did good. Like, it looks like it's doing amazing too. Like, it's so thick and nice, but it needs to be higher. It needs more dirt in there. gonna have to repot that. This one, I mean, it still looks good. It looks really good, just dirt everywhere. It's so pretty. That one's really pretty too. That one's like dying. It needs more dirt. Stalks. All my leaves that fell out of the plants, just put them in there. They'll grow leaves. And then these little ones over here, put these in there because they were small, so it'd be good. This one was doing really good, but it's dying. And it had a baby one going out of there. You can see it. Hold on. Right there. This one right here, it was green, but not like greenish. Now it's like a light blue, and then it's like dying. That one I need to stand it up, but I'm gonna poke myself, so I gotta fix that. I repotted these. Oh no, this one was like that already, but it's dying, so hopefully it can grow and fix itself. My little butt, I found my other one. Thought I lost it, but it's right there. And it has a bunch of those baby ones right there. Baby cactuses, cacti. Planted this one on its own because it was thick. Look at that. Baby growing out of there. My other little butt rock right there with a bunch of baby cactuses next to it. My coworker gave me that one for my birthday a while back, so it's so good that it's doing healthy. And it's pretty thick. Like the bottom of these are thin, but the top ones are thick, which is good. This one is dying, but hopefully it makes a recovery. It's so, this one's cute and like weird. This one right here, this long one is just like those bottom ones. But I guess because it's in a small pot, it hasn't really grown. But like, look at that, like that's so weird. And it's heavy. I love this. This one's my favorite. This one repotted these. So hopefully I mean, it looks like it's doing good. And these are my mom's over here. Like everything, I don't know. So it's doing good. I gotta get back on track with them. Because honestly, I love my greenhouse. But like it broke. Like down there, it's like broken. You can kind of tell. And like it's like slanted. It's not even standing up straight. It's still good, but I think I'm gonna have to buy another one. Like look at that. It's all like, I don't know. Charlie! So this is my greenhouse update, you know, rebuilding it sort of and fixing it, repotting my plants. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.